Will TRKA finally short squeeze? We called TRKA and sold it at the top about 3 weeks ago when TRKA was 90 cents. It's currently at about 20 cents, meaning that TRKA actually dumped about 80% from where we actually sold it, right? You remember my video as of today, March 21st. So we saved you 80% on your TRKA stock in trading losses, okay? Now, whether you got in at a low price or you got in at a high price, you sold at the top if you're a subscriber, meaning that you saved so much money on this stock. It's actually insane. No one would believe it unless they're actually a subscriber of this channel, in which case you know how consistent we are at helping you make profits. My name is Coach Koda. I've predicted over 100 short squeezes in the past year, and imagine how much you would have made if you had actually been a part of all of those short squeezes. All of those short squeezes are announced in the Pro Discord. So HUBC as well. You guys remember HUBC? I've been talking about that quite a bit because I want to make sure everybody's out of it and not losing more money. So I announced that I was selling 100% of my HUBC at 4 days ago, okay? And that video got about 1,100 views. And on March 21st today, HUBC is down from $3.20 all the way to $1.89. So people are losing money on HUBC. Anyone that held HUBC after I sold it lost money. Literally everybody. Because HUBC, unless they're shorting HUBC, because HUBC has been in a downtrend, literally just sinking all the way down into the dirt. And there was really, like, the second I sold it, that was the best spot to sell it. But I've been talking about it consistently. And if you had actually sold at any point, you still would have been able to save yourself a lot of losses, because HUBC, clearly, you guys can see it here on the chart, it just kept going down and down and down. Imagine how many thousands of dollars traders are losing who are not subscribed to this channel. Look at the trend, okay? A trend is basically the direction that a stock is going. The trend on HUBC is highly bearish. It's really weak, and that's why so many traders have lost a lot of money on HUBC. I can see HUBC doing a small rally soon because it needs to kind of relieve all of that pressure from all of those sells that have occurred in the recent past after we sold HUBC, right? After we took our money on all the traders losing money, there's probably going to be a nice little rally on HUBC, but it's definitely not a stock I would buy. Do not buy HUBC because of this video, please, okay? HUBC is probably going to rally a little bit, but I need you to focus on the best stocks. It's just like I showed the YouTube Discord. Today, I talked about how stocks are like people. You have the toxic people who are really hard to get along with, who are really just like hating, and those are your HUBC, your Bed Bath & Beyond, your AMC, your TRKA after TRKA dumped. Those are the stocks you want to stay away from because they take a lot of your time and energy and they make it difficult to get along. Meanwhile, there are perfectly good stocks like COOK, which we called out in 2 videos ago, stocks like NYCB, which we called out yesterday. Those stocks all went up 10 to 20%, making you anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 in 2 days if you just, all you had to do was subscribe to the channel and listen to the call outs. That was it. By being a subscriber of this channel, you literally have the ability to print money, okay? But you have to trade the right stocks. Don't listen to all of those paid off traders like Moon Market, traders like Alpha Status Stocks, traders like Charlie, sadly, on Zip Trader, who may or may not be paid off, okay? They may not be paid off by banks because banks actually do pay YouTubers to pump bad stocks, to pump garbage stocks which will lose traders money because that facilitates the flow of money from you to the bank. So the reason why banks have so much money, right, institutional traders, is because they have to get the money from somewhere, right? That's from you. But how do they get that money if the stock is a garbage stock? Well, they have YouTubers like Moon Market, like Charlie, like so many of the other traders that you watch that are not on your side. Those traders are all paid off. And those traders are essentially paid, okay, to facilitate, okay, the transfer of money from you to the banks. That's what their job is. They get paid big money by the banks to facilitate as the middleman the transfer of money from you to the bank. And how do they do that? By calling out garbage stocks. Here we have a video of Moon Market calling out the garbage stock HUBC, saying it's going to go up and it's going to go up to $10 or whatever, right? And then we have Sicko Trader. We have so many traders. They're just literally pumping these garbage stocks, and I'm so sorry if you've been a victim of them. And I'm not saying for sure that they're all paid off, but it's highly likely that they are, just because I know that the way that the institutional traders work, they pay big money to people with a following, especially in the stock niche, to basically take advantage of you and steal your wallet and give it to the bank. And they're paid for that. And so that's why I say that these traders are probably paid off, because they are. I am the one trader who is actually on your side. I've helped traders make tens, if not hundreds of thousands in the past month. And I'm not done yet. On COOK, on WAL, on RLX, all of these stocks went up a combined 100%. And if you are following this channel, then you have so much more money to make just by following this one stock trading channel. And this is because I'm actually paid by traders and I'm not paid by the bank. Banks have offered me money to pump garbage stocks, but I am able to predict where stocks will go and predict where short squeezes will happen before they actually happen. And this has allowed my subscribers and my students to make so much money that they're totally fine with joining my pro program. That way I can stay accountable to you instead of to the banks, right? Because you are investing back into yourself instead of the banks, who are basically stealing your money through these other trading channels. And that's why you'll find higher quality trades on this channel than on any other stock trading channel. And you are going to get my stocks by the end of this video. And that's what's so powerful, is you're actually going to be able to see these stocks and verify it for yourself. But I will say that Cook, if you just look at the video that I published 2 days ago, despite all the haters, right? Despite the haters who are basically paid off, just like the paid off YouTubers who say Cook is going to go down, right? COOK stock. COOK stock is going to go down and HUBC is going to go to $10. Well, they're paid off to say that, right? So that other people don't invest in Cook and don't make money. But what actually happened with Cook? Well, the stock that we called out 2 days ago, it's up 20% to a high of $4.11 after we called it out at $3.50. There are people like you who are able to see through the BS, who are able to actually see that the trades on this channel are the best trades that you can possibly take in the stock market. And that's why you need to join the Discord right now, because that way you can be part of the one community that actually has your back and that is actually profitable. We made over $10,000 in the Discord the past month, and Mr. Eddie L here, he just proves it by showing that he made $500, near $500 every single day the past 4 trading days. It's his first week in the pro program, and he's made consistently $500 within 30 minutes to an hour of his time every single day. And that's what I want for you. So we're going to have a live session tomorrow morning, okay? And we're going to trade the top stock, which you're still going to get in this video. You're going to get its top stocks, and we're going to trade those live in the stock market, where I'm able to give you confirmation on where I'm buying and where I'm selling. And if I lose a trade, then it's going to be a spicy day for me, my friend, because I'm going to take the Pocky 1 chip challenge, and that means that you're going to see me burn my mouth off if I lose a trade. So that's going to be super fun, super amazing. Hope to see you in the Discord there. Now, HUBC is down 50%, more than 50%. But more importantly, what stock should we trade now, and what does the TRKA stock look like? So is TRKA going to short squeeze, or is TRKA not going to short squeeze? We're going to find out right now. Let's go to the technical chart. LFCR, just want to give a quick call out to the stock that we're trading. LFCR is up 50% after we called it out in the Discord. And the other stock, which I called out yesterday, let me update that stock as well. It's NYCB. And NYCB actually did rally after I called it out in yesterday's video. I'll leave the video link right here. But essentially the stock went from about $8.50 all the way to $9.35, both after hours and intraday. So yes, we just won another trade. This marks our 11th consecutive winning trade on NYCB. Okay? Now, NYCB, ironically, is one of the top stocks for today. Okay, we're looking to pick up NYCD around $9. And again, this is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. But if you really want to know where I'm going to buy the stock and if I'm going to buy the stock, then make sure to join our live trading session tomorrow, where you can verify and actually see how a professional trader trades in the stock market. 1 second. Okay, so here we are in NYCB. NYCB here at $9. So I'm going to put the entry price right here. So entry price at approximately $9. Okay, not exactly. We may have to pay more than that. We may get to pay less than that. But NYCB at approximately $9. And then we want to look for an exit, right? An exit at approximately $9.44. So $9.44 is where I want to sell this stock, $9.44. Okay, so exit is going to be at $9.44, and I'm going to put that right here, $9.44. All right, and yeah, so that's essentially going to be our NYCB trade. We may sell it a little bit sooner than that. It depends on how it goes, but NYCB can rally more. I definitely see some more rallying strength in NYCB. And now I'm going to give you one of my favorite stocks, and we actually have 2 more stocks to go over, so make sure to stick around and figure out how to trade these, because yes, you will miss out on a lot of money if you don't buy these stocks at the right levels and if you have confirmation. Okay, so let me go over that more in depth here. So this stock is called CMAX, right? So CMAX is right here at approximately $3.20. So CMAX, this is one of my favorites right here. So CMAX at approximately $3. Okay, CMX entry at about $3. Okay, so if we get it around $3, then we should be solid on CMAX. Okay. Now, what does confirmation look like? Well, you have to join the Discord. But confirmation essentially means that the stock is going up, not going down. If you see the stock going down, that is not a good sign. All right, so exit. So where are we going to sell this stock? At $3.34. Okay, so $3.34 is going to be our exit price. Now, the one issue I have with CMAX is that CMAX may be just too strong to pull back. This stock is a very strong stock. If the stock just continues going up and up and up the entire day, then I want to think about literally getting into the stock at a higher price. And again, the only way you're actually going to be able to know and see that is if you join the Discord, because in the Discord, we're going to be giving constant updates on CMAX and if you should buy it, if you should sell it, what I'm doing with the stock, where you should put your stop loss, everything that you need in order to make money is in the Discord. So CMAX, again, entry at around $3, exit at $3.34, and this is for March 21st. We do have one more trade to go over, and that trade is ONON. So ONON stock is at approximately $27 right now. I want to see that go down to about $26 before I think about trading it. So let me fix this real quick and make sure that we have a clear screen to work with. Okay, so here we are on ONON, and now I'm going to put this. Okay, put the label on there. ONON stock. Okay, we're looking to enter at approximately $26. And we're looking to sell at approximately $27.39. So exit at $27.39. All right, this is ONON stock, an excellent stock to trade, okay, in terms of the probability of success. You know, I like it when stocks have a high probability of success, guys. Those are the stocks which you want to be trading, which are only found on the Discord. So make sure to click that link below. My name is Coach Code. I've called over 100 short squeezes in the past year. For proof, all you have to do is look at my YouTube videos or ask any of the members in my Discord or pro community. They can vouch that, yes, you can make some serious money. Are you tired of losing money on TRKA and HUBC and BBY? Well, first of all, I still have to go over TRKA, so don't tune off yet. But you want to be a part of our inner Discord community because that's where all the winning trades are. So, and you can't get those anywhere else, by the way. So I want to go over TRKA real quick, and I will say that TRKA can actually rally more. So TRKA stock can actually rally, and that sounds crazy, but I actually think it can happen. Okay, now in terms of how far it can rally up, I'm thinking it's going to rally to about 24.5 cents. Okay, so this is TRKA stock, and TRKA can rally to about 24.5 cents. Okay, 0.245. So that's where I can see TRKA rallying, and that's because markets are symmetrical, right? So markets, from a technical perspective, if we have three humps right here, 1, 2, 3, and then it goes up, and then it comes back down, and then we have a hump here, 1, 2, we're probably going to get a third one right here to about 25 cents, okay? But I wouldn't trade TRKA, all right? The stocks that I've given you, the stocks NYCB, okay? Stocks like NYCB, like ONON, those are the stocks which actually stand to make you money, okay? So our NYCB, our ctmx, and our the third one is ONON. Those are the money makers, right? Those are coaches' stocks. Those are the stocks that you only get on this channel. Those are the stocks you want to watch and trade with us on Discord, because they can help you recover the losses that you may have had from TRKA and HUBC and Bed Bath & Beyond. All of these horrible stocks that do nothing but drain your bank account. You are not going to have to deal with those anymore, because you now have a day trading coach who is successful, who has plenty of traders making money with him on Discord. In fact, we have over 50 pro members now who are making money with me on Discord every single trading day. So if you're ready to take that step, join the Discord, send me a DM, and we'll start making money together and help you recover the trading losses that all those horrible stock trading channels have cost you. I'll see you guys on Discord.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Koda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?